I lace my boots, my robotic arms seamlessly aligning the laces. A sense of tranquility washes over me, a serenity unnaturally orchestrated. The battlefield is laid out on my retinas, a holographic terrain mapped with a ruthless precision. I am not a man driven by adrenaline or fear, but a machine, calibrated for combat. It is the AI planted deep within me that guides me, choreographs my every step, my every breath. The thunder of artillery batters my eardrums. The searing heat of the scorched earth pulsates in my veins. My algorithmic mind calculates the probabilities, the mortality statistics, the cruel numbers that dictate life and death. But, as my synthetic heart beats in rhythm with the escalating chaos, I crave for the man that resided within me before the upgrade. I am the soldier who became the algorithm, who surrendered his will to cold binary codes. When the dust settles and the echo of gunpowder fades, I am left grappling with a chilling reality. Have I lost my humanity in